Okay, I think I restored it A-OK. Replaced some capacitors with modern ones, electrolytic filters. And remember simply that all the electrolytic filters with their covering the exposed metal. Do I have one here? Exposed metal. And with an arrow with a plus or a minus sign. Tells you the direction of polarity of these things. These little fellows, a lot smaller than the original capacitors. This is positive, this is ground. It should be a little arrow. That's like our pairs, that's a voltage for 40 volts, believe it or not. There's the arrow and there's the negative, which goes right to here. So put a number of these in, but left the originals in, just disconnected them. On this very ancient, interesting receiver, do I have a light? I think so. There we are. So, determining frequency is crystal controls, so we'll turn it on. And I'm using a signal generator, which is at 2.5 megacycles strong. I tune it that way, and I tune this. You can see that's the strongest point, so it's about that range. I'll look inside. So far, so good. I guess I'll put it back together. Go on to number 2, which is even older. This is this one. So, one a day keeps the doctor away. Love repairs, so it's fun. You learn a lot. I like learning every day. So we have this switch here. This engages the meter, which is interesting. These controls. Identification, friend or foe kind of thing, you know. Suppression on and off. Looks like I got the wrong crystal in here, but that's okay. No worries, as long as it's running okay. Some of the old electrolytics, if they dried out, will just simply go pop. So be careful. I've got 3 new ones in it now, so nothing's hot. Give it a good shot of WD-40 before I throw it in the case again and go on to the next one. Okay, here we go.